हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम आस्था प्रकाश एंड मेरे चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का वीडियो है डे 11 ऑफ लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स चैलेंज। तो मैं काफ़ी दिन से वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मेनली लॉन्ग वीडियोस ड्यू टू मैं काफ़ी थोड़ा बिज़ी भी थी एंड कह सकती हूँ कि मैं मेरा यहाँ पे ना, आप देख रहे होगे थोड़ा सा ऐसा कोई इंसेक्ट काट वाट लिया था, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा स्किन में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था। तो थोड़ा तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं लग रहा था और मन नहीं कर रहा था वीडियोस बनाने का, और शक्ल भी अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा था। कह सकते हैं, बट फिर भी मैं बना सकती थी, बट मन बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा था। इसलिए मैं सोची कि छोड़ो, जब मन रहे तो बहुत अच्छे मन से ही बनाना चाहिए। कहते हैं ना कि अच्छे मन से बनाने में सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होता है। इसलिए मैं बहुत दिन के बाद वीडियोस बना रही हूँ। एनीवे, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। ये क्या कर रही हूँ? So today's video is about how to start a conversation. तो इस डे 11 में what we are gonna learn is how to start a conversation. तो conversation start करना is like is kind of thing कि not everyone can do. हर लोग हमेशा पहले conversation start नहीं कर पाते, and I can say कि most of the people who are in crowd place, बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं कुछ बोलूँ बट दे कांट, बिकॉज काइंड ऑफ फियर इस वजह से। तो देर आर फ्यू टिप्स फ्रॉम यू कैन लर्न एंड स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन। सो let's start the first thing which you should know to start a conversation. ठीक है? So it's a kind of trick, you can say. So in this type of trick, you have to know that कि if you wanna start a conversation, then you have to you have just 4 steps. So the first step is you should have to observe. So what? So I mean that if you wanna talk to someone who are in front of you, so you just have to observe your environment. So you can take anything, you can observe anything, and you can talk about it. You just have to observe your environment, your surrounding, what is happening or what is there, and you just have to pick that thing, or keep in the mind that you in front of the men who have something, so you can pick that example. Let me give you example कि आपके सामने एक इंसान है, ठीक है, वो लड़की है या लड़का, जो भी हो, कि आप एक कॉलेज में हो, ठीक है। तो आपके सामने एक नई लड़की बैठी हुई है जो कि बहुत नई है। आई कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्लास 11 गर्ल, ठीक है। सो शी इज़ वेरी न्यू इन स्कूल, यू डोंट नो हर, बट यू आर काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा ओल्ड हो। आप 10th क्लास में से इसी स्कूल इसी में पढ़ते आ रहे हो, ठीक है। और वो नहीं है, ठीक है, दूसरे स्कूल से आई है, एडमिशन लिया। सो यू हैव टू talk to her, you have to start a conversation with her. So you can simply ask her her name or anything about it, and if you are very nervous to talk to her, or तो आप कोई भी एक टॉपिक पिक कर सकते हो और ऑब्जर्व करो दैट शी हैज़ वेरी गुड इंस्ट्रूमेंट, or something like she has very attractive notebook. So you can talk about it, like you can start a topic that wow, your notebook is very beautiful, I also want this. So where you get it from, like this, ठीक है। आप एक भी टॉपिक चूज करिए। So आप इतनी बात समझ गए होगे. So the second step is absorb and then talk. Just talk about it. And the second step is that talk about the topic you have chosen to talk. That's it. And the wait, let me give you one more example for this step. That if you have took a topic, like I have said you earlier, a beautiful notebook. Okay, then you just observe that this is a very nice notebook. So you just have to ask from her that, wow, this is very nice notebook. So I mean that the second step is all about asking or telling about it. And the third step is listening. So if you ask or told about anything, then you have to listen about it, that what's her answer, what's his answer, or what the next thing they have said you. So you have to listen that thing. Okay. And the fourth step is just follow up. And I mean that you just have to continue your conversation, that you just observe that thing and you ask about that thing and she or he answered it, and then you just have to again start start to talk about something else, or you can just continue that conversation, and that's it. This is the simple trick you can apply to start a conversation. And I don't want to just tell you these steps. You can also I have another step also. Got it? So I can say that if you wanna say something or you have to start a conversation, so you can apply 70-30 rule. And what's this rule? This rules talk about that 70% of the conversation you can listen, okay, and 30% you can speak. So this can help you a lot to become less nervous to start a conversation very frequently. Like if you have to just say 30% of the conversation, then it's become very easier for you, and it will be very good for the in front of the person also, that you are listening. They will become very they feel very good. So now I just wanna say the most important thing to start a conversation is you don't just have to see that in front of the person is interested in talking. No, you have to be interested yourself. If you are curious, if you are interested, then in front of the person will automatically become very curious and interested about your conversation. So this is the most important thing to remember. And now I just want to end up this video, because everything what I know I have told you about how to start a conversation. Then let's end up this this video. This is day 11 of learning new skill for 30 days challenge. So I want to say just bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.